So you can see that the steering wheel is looking a little bit worse for wear. It's not so good there on there. These commonly go. A lot of the cars that I saw actually have split horn buttons. So anyway, we're also going to try and sort out the steering wheel, because as you can see, the steering wheel is looking a little bit worn. So I've bought some stuff on Amazon. I will include a link for that stuff, and we will let you know if it's actually any good or not. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, the car has been used rather heavily this week. I've also flattened everything so I could fit the bike in. The bike fits in very nicely indeed. So yeah, all in all, very good. Looking forward to getting this back on the road. Right, here is the steering wheel. This is now, so we've done this part, the airbag, as you can see. Nice. It's all looking much better than the old unit. The old unit is right here. So you can see the old unit right here, and as you can see, that is the part that was just cracked. That's like completely, you can see my fingers going through the hole. So yep, that's gonna go in the trash probably. So now we are going to use this leather steering wheel repair kit that I bought from Amazon. Let's see if it's any good. If it's no good, I'll just have to get the steering wheel retrimmed or just buy a new steering wheel altogether. But let's see how it goes. I thought I'd just show you how useful this kit is. If it's any good, I'll give you my honest review and opinion of it. But yes, we're doing this on a Vauxhall Zafira 2005, and as you can see, there's a lot of wear marks just here. There's a few scuffs and stuff just here as well. So yeah, gonna give it a go, see how it goes. I'm gonna use masking tape to tape up all of these areas that I don't want to be touching. Probably protect this new section as well. So yeah, let's see how we go. All in all, it's just drying off now. I don't think it looks too bad. I mean, it's honestly, it's a very cheap and dirty solution. I would say if you've got, you know, a couple of £100, probably not even that much to throw away at it, then I'd recommend just getting a retrimmed steering wheel. But for the purpose of just cheaply making it look a bit better, I think actually it's not bad. You'll hopefully see from the time lapse the difference between how it looked at the very beginning and now how it looks now. I think I'm mostly, the upgrade I'm mostly pleased about is obviously fixing this aspect of the steering wheel, because that really did look quite rough. But yeah, all in all, I'm happy with the car. Keep subscribed to the channel, stay tuned for more updates on the Zafira. I'm going to be doing some more videos just to sort of bring this car back to its former, I guess, the glory that maybe it left the factory with. I'm going to do some more kind of in-car cleaning, get the car looking really, really nice at the moment. It's okay, I mean, I've been chucking my bike in the back, so I'm going to try and find a solution of easily taking the bike in this car without having to mess it up every single time. So yeah, keep subscribed, like this video, watch this space, and join me for more Zafira GSI videos in the not so distant future. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye.